Hello everybody, hope everyone's well and having a great day today. Today I'm going to cook, I'm going to use a ciabatta loaf. A little bit bigger than a panini. British beef quarter pounders, which I'm going to flatten down in a bit of greaseproof paper and put them on a barbecue. Also, I'm going to have a couple of them hot honey big dog hot dog sausages. If you want to see the ingredients, they're there somewhere, maybe there, or even just there. So I'm going to have a couple of them. I'm going to chuck them on the barbecue as well. Probably slice them down the middle. Get two in that. I mean 4. Cut in half, either side. A couple of burgers, 1-2 burgers. Got some onions, which I've just microwaved. Oh, that might be hot. In water, or water, just to soften them up, which I'm just going to chuck into a little pan and just cook in some olive oil. There's some onions. Just going to cook them a little bit. Move them around a little bit. There we go. Just going to let them do their thing. They're on low. Just a little flame. There we go. Just going to chuck a couple of burgers in there. On there, 1 burger. There we go. A bit of parchment paper. Or greaseproof paper. I'm just going to use my round bowl that had the onions in, just to flatten it a bit. There we go, there's one. Ready for the barbecue. Might season it a little bit of pepper. Another one. A bit of that. There we go, that'll do. So, done everyone else first, just to get that out of the way. So we've got some burgers, some sausages there, and some kebab sticks. Lovely. Oh, the coals are. So the coals literally look like we're going to go out any second. Nearly out. There's a burger. Another burger. Oh, to be young and a boy race, Ray. Loud exhaust pipe. Stereo blasting at 1,000,000 decibels. Causing terror wherever you go. Upsetting everyone within your street. Or not within your street. Within the surrounding streets. Oh, maybe I've just got old, I don't know. What do you think? Do you feel the same? Is it necessary or is it not? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. It's appreciated. Thanks very much now. Slow and steady wins the race, doesn't it? So, the burgers are doing their thing. The hot dogs are doing their thing as well. Sorted. Lovely. Just flipping the hot dogs over. I did a few coals to it. Flip the burgers over as well. Let them do their thing. Slow and steady. Off the heat. It's the best way to barbecue, really, isn't it? Unless you're planning on searing them or whatever, putting some lines on them. but you naturally get lines on them anyway because of all the heat in there. It wasn't mega hot, but it was all right. It was cooking. That's me Weber. So all I've done there, I've just chucked some cheese on, and I chucked the ciabatta roll inside the barbecue just to try and melt the butter a bit. That's it. The cheese is melted, looking lovely. Into the ciabatta as we go, and that's that done. Lovely. I'm not sure about arranging these chili dogs because I put them around the wrong way, as you'll see right now. In fact, you know what? I'm going to do, I might have actually put them the other way. See if they fit. Maybe that'll push. A bit more like that. Cool. That's a big old roll, isn't it? There you go. I've had to put it like that because I don't think I'll get it all in shot. Just going to put some onions on it. There we go. And the only thing missing really is a bit of sauce, a bit of Heinz. So that is that's a big old roll, that is. There you go. So smash the burgers down, put some cheese on top, cooked in the barbecue, the hot dog sausages with the onion, and with the hot dogs. There you go. Might be a first for me. It didn't fall apart or slide or something. Some sort of reveal. It's a shame this ciabatta sort of lay it down. I wasn't feeling it with it. It was a bit tough, really. Probably should have put some bacon and some eggs in there as well, but that'll do for today. Well, it's another dinner done, I suppose. Bit spicy. Can definitely taste the chili. It's all right. See you later, everyone. Bye bye.